Alright everybody, I'm going to do a cold start of my 09 WRX for sale. You see the dual exhaust there. It is actually an STI Turbo XS exhaust. TBE all the way back. Here we go, we're going to start it up and let you hear it. Give it a couple revs. Alright, there was a couple of revs here. We're going to get in the car and I'll show you what we got here with the speedometer and everything and what we got on the inside. Okay, so this is the car. Yes, there is the tire light on, TPMS. These rims or wheels, whatever you want to call them, don't have it in them. Stock ones do. There's the boost gauge right there, works great. It's dead on. Tack, there's no check engine lights on, no nothing, no issues. Still got 87.381 on it. I just pulled it out of my garage and I'm gonna back it right back in there for people who are wanting to look at this weekend. Of course, there's the DVD that'll be coming with it. Oops, that's, well, I was gonna try to play some music, but well, anyway, back to, here's the controls. Yes, the AC works great. Yes, the heat works great. This car is not messed up so the heat and air don't work. Everything is made to work in this car. Okay, there we got some music playing. Oh, well, I keep changing the wrong thing. Shift knob. It's got the shifter cob short throw in it, all the bushings, everything else. There's the inside right there. It's my tire gauge. I keep one in the car. It's coming with me. Of course, here's there's the manual, the book. It's got everything in it. Came from where it came from, Lufuse. It's got all the booklets. There's the Cobb AP. That's gonna come with it. Course, works great. I don't keep it hooked up. Don't really see a reason why. It's got a 93 tune from Torque Performance. Car runs great. Don't have an issue with it. No need to look at it. That's just my opinion. Some people keep it hooked up all the time. Got a little Block Boy playing. The system does sound good.
Motherfucking roll. Niggas talking down on foe. Yeah. Made 100 plays in the focus. Gotta maintain, stay focused.
Like I said, the system, the amp and sub will be coming with me. It's actually turned almost all the way down. all JL audio, doors, everything's amped. There's a radar detector right there. That'll come with me also. Of course, here's the wheels. Let me see if I can get it better. The sun. Those are brand new brakes, Hawk 5.0 Street, and brand new StopTech rotors, pads. I grease everything up with Amsoil. The wheels have no curb rash whatsoever. Here's the motor running. I'll stop talking so you can hear it. New interstate battery, 7-8 months old. Car does run Amsoil EAO filters. It's a full Amsoil car, front to back, all fluids, even the brake fluid, even transmission fluid, diff fluid, all the fluids. Process West top mount, in good condition, not all beat up like some people's. There's the Turbo Smart Compact, blow-off valve. Everything's running. Yes, it has tying coilovers on there. They're about 6 months old. They're still stiff. They still need to be worked in. Like I said, I don't drive it much. There's the cold air. Clean filter, clean map sensor. Air and stuff here. Process West hoses. Yes, the Crawford. You can see down in there, there's the Grimspeed turbo heat shield. Down a little bit lower, everything is wrapped in there. Can't really see it. Brand new plugs, brand new coil packs. I have the old stuff if you want them. They're NGK Iridium Step 2s. Here's the car. Gonna try to keep this video to about 10 minutes. So there are some bumps and nicks in the car. It is an 09. Previous owner did drive the car a little bit. So there's going to be some highway stuff from it. There's the back wheels. No curb rash on these wheels at all. There's the back seat, nice and clean. Sorry, I got all my Subaru Ambassador gear in the back seat. There's the front right there. Take you in my garage here to show you the other set of wheels and some other products I got here. Here's the box of goodies that come with it. You'll get the Cobb SF intake, the filter, the tube, all that stuff with it. I got also the back of the rock blocks. I didn't get them put on yet. I'm just busy, so here they are. I got all the hardware, I just haven't got them put on. I got the fronts put on. Here's the H&R lowering springs. They're lowered about 1 inch and 1.2 all the way around, even it out. All you need is a pair of nice struts, KYBs, whatever you want to put on there if you want to use those again. Other than that, that's about everything. I got some stock rotors there. If you want them, don't really see why you'd want them. Like I said, I'm not shy of Subaru cars. There's my other one in the garage. It's an 06 Outback Limited. Let me tell you how good I usually take care of my cars. If you know me, this car has 216,000 miles on it. Original motor, transmission. It is a full Amsoil car also. Enough with that. But this is the car. I always keep me a nice jug of 93 on hand just in case. Never know when the gas station might shut down. Keep a little bit of fresh 93 on me. Car runs on 93. There is a bunch of other tunes on it. So let me give you a look at the rock block to front. So here's the rock blocks. You can see those. And by the way, the car is fully dyno matted top to bottom. So Everything behind this door here is all dyno matted. The back doors are dyno matted. The roof and headliner, it was taken down and dyno matted by the previous owner. All the backs, the seats were taken out. Everything is dyno matted, so keep the sound down. So it's all sound deadening. And I'll show you one more thing before I get done with this. Previous owner, which was Danny, did a little bit of heat treatment up top here, on the sides here, so it keeps everything cool. I'll go ahead and close this up for you. It does have a diode dynamic 5000K white with a tiny hint of blue HIDs, and it has the brand new diode dynamic LED DRLs, and that's about it. There's go ahead and turn this off here. There's the speedometer and the miles. Now I'll see if I can change this so you can see how many miles I've actually put on the car since I bought it. Let's see. So trip A, I put 3,112 miles on the car since I bought it the past 2 years. So you divide that out by 2 years, you'll see how much I've actually driven it. So like I said, no check engine lights, revs freely, sounds good. Shut it off. So one more thing about the car, it's got all sway bars, end links, blah blah blah. I could go on for hours about what it's got done to it. Other than that, you really got to hear the car run. It's when the E-Wag or the external gate opens up on it, it's something else. It moves out pretty good. It's not a crazy build where you're worried about if you're going to break it or if you're worried about driving it cross country. It is ready to go, and nothing you really got to worry about. The head unit will stay with the car. It's a B4800 BHS Bluetooth Apple car, blah blah blah, Sirius Bluetooth, you know. There is the microphone that works for it also. You can Bluetooth it to your phone. It's got the custom OEM Forester bezel, so it doesn't have those gaps, which means if you ever see a car like that that has those gaps, they ain't take the money to buy the correct surround. They just use the stock one. You want it to look neat, clean. This car is neat, clean. Like I said, there's bumps on the outside, of course. It's an 09. I'm waiting for my chemical guys' equipment to come in and the foam cannon. And whoever's coming to look at it or buy it this weekend or whoever later on, I will be cleaning it up and doing the best I can. I'm not some custom detailer, but I will make it look clean and nice. And let me get the focus in there. Come on, focus in. Get this thing to focus in. There we go. So there it is. I don't know if it's out of focus or not, but that's it right there. This is the car. Thanks a lot for looking. There you go.